Hello everyone, my name is Dusk. Now I know I said in the last video that video was an in-between video for a couple projects I have going. I still have those couple projects going. One of them requires me to figure out where to put specific flash warnings and exactly how to time and everything. And then the other one, I have to go through about I I want to call it at least 3 hour-long gameplay sessions over one Roblox game, by the way, and then I have to caption both of those. The captioning part is perfectly optional. I just want to do it because I like doing captioning. It's a pain in the ass, but I like doing captioning. But I also did something very cool with well, I'll just show you. This is a TARDIS from the Fabric mod mini TARDIS. It's actually pretty cool. Um, it's very simple mod. Very simple TARDIS. But what I did was I used the mini TARDIS Computer Craft Bridge mod, which is a mouthful, with obviously Computer Craft, and have a work in progress, but stuff can function. Fucking, what do I call it? Oh, controller, yeah. So we go in, you just right click the door, there's no fancy doors. And I don't have, fucking immersive portals is a bitch, okay? Anyway, here's the inside of TARDIS. Ignore that for a minute. This is how the TARDIS interface looks and stuff. It's very cool. It's all very nice, very cool, very neat. But you're not here for that. You're here for right here. Where I have a script up where I actually have to pull up. I have to pull up VS Code here. So, really quickly, let me show you how flight actually works in this mod. So, for example, let's set a target. Let's just go back a couple pages in this list of targets I've had before. Lock that in. Wrong lever. Handbrake and you go. And I see this. These are the error offsets. The little things that show up on the monitor here. They kind of look like switches. And you just gotta press these buttons here on both these panels, and it ticks them. This panel, which it's the east panel, ticks the topmost ones. Sorry, the top switches, and the north-facing panel does the bottom half. And the localization scale interpreter, which is again a fucking mouthful. It just changes what error offset you modify, which is very cool. And then you can land. Which is all fun and dandy, and since I don't feel like waiting, I'm just gonna do the mini TARDIS refuel command. And then you can actually go like multi-dimensional with this shit. So yeah, actually there's a location in the Nether. Now there's something very important about interdimensional flight, which again can be important. It's how you do the interdimensional flight part. You unlock the location, and then you press the handbrake, and then you have to do this little mini game to go across dimensions. And then boom, you've crossed dimensions. And now, we're just in the overworld. We are now, oh yeah, I forgot. This is a nether roof location. I didn't read the Y value there. This place gives me the creeps. Let's go back inside. So, the important part is that the controller right now it doesn't have a proper user interface. It just has a bunch of functions that I have to modify the script every fucking time. But hold on, let me demonstrate here. So we have a drift auto thing here. So I can run this. I have a BP waiting loop. We're gonna select this spot in the overworld again. Ready to go. Press this, press that. And now it's going to automatically do the drifting part for us. And, kaboom. It actually has output in the console for the computer there. Actually has output. Which is very cool, very fun. And I even have a whole autopilot made. It's also very cool, which I'm gonna actually show you. If I just do autopilots, and I select a different location, like let's say, sure, let's go here. Is that not where we just were? Slightly different. Sure, let's go with here. Now, if we run... It needs a minimum fuel. I have a configuration script for it. Or, like, a way to configure it. And you can configure a minimum fuel and a minimum stability. Which is very cool. Yeah, this is gonna take a minute. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh. It's going. And now, here's the cool part. It does the offsets really quickly. Right? It didn't even need to do too many, I don't think. And it landed. Now, it also automatically does the dimension drifting stuff. Okay, yeah, I don't feel like waiting for that. Destination locked. Now we just sit here and watch. Taking off on its own. Drifting all on its own. Correcting all the offsets on its own, and landing on its own. A fucking blitzingly fast autopilot system. Just absolutely astonishing. And we are in the Nether. And, the TARDIS exterior didn't render for some reason. There we go! There we go. So overall, it's very cool. It's very fun. I'm going to leave a link to the repository for this in the description if you're interested. It is not completely finished yet. I do plan on adding a very fun user interface to it. And possibly even support for using a monitor as a much larger screen for it. But with this as the main input console, obviously. But, yeah. Again, another short video in the interim, because I have other shit in the works that takes a long time. Yeah. But, yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this demonstration. The interface I plan to add is, it's mostly just going to be really simple. Arrows and navigation with arrows. You know, enter values, etc. But the overall general idea stays the same. And perhaps even a way to set custom waypoints with different nuances, perhaps. I'll have to look into that, but if you want waypoints, just use the Waypoints app the mod provides, which, very cool. But, yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you when I see you.
And you don't seem to understand. A shame you seem to